How to drive laser-targeted traffic using Overture. In online marketing business like affiliate marketing, no traffic means no sales. That's the reason why most affiliates or webmasters easily shell out even big bucks just to get top rankings on the search engines. Once you are promoting a product or service in your web page, you need to have more visitors that can be potential consumers to your products and services. This is one of the fundamental rules to succeed in online marketing business. Here, you just need to start and get it right, and you can do some things wrong but still manage to succeed. Don't ever try to get it wrong, because no matter how hard you work, you can never find yourself on the way to success. I guess everyone will agree if I said that obtaining enough highly targeted traffic is the key to success in affiliate marketing business. This method is proven to be effective if you're promoting or reselling product or service online. One of the best and most secured marketing strategies that affiliate marketers can employ is the strategy of paying for performance. This means that your investments are used only on results, such as additional sales and incomes. Let's take a practical example. Paying for performance could mean giving a commission to a salesperson only when new sale is made. This strategy assures you real profit, because you can already compute the amount money you have to spend for every new sale made. Also, you can avoid spending any marketing bucks because every cent you use up has either come from sale or will generate a sale in the future. And one of the proven and most efficient ways of acquiring sales in affiliate marketing business is by drawing laser-targeted traffic towards your website and converting them to sales by means of pay-per-click search engines, PPCSEs. Overture claims to be the internet's best pay-per-click search engine. It is the world's leading resource of pay-for-performance search on the web. And what's more enticing about Overture? When you advertise in Overture Premium Listings, your site will absolutely appear in the leading US search engines like Yahoo, InfoSpace, MSN, Netscape, AltaVista, Lycos and more. Plus, you can get the benefit of reaching more than 80% of active internet users. PPCSEs like Overture can bring impressive sales because they permit you to pay for performance by means of attracting precisely targeted traffic to your niche. And this means people or site visitors who are actively searching for what precisely you are offering or selling. Overture's secret is to drive laser-targeted traffic to your website by proposing or bidding on keywords that are related to the product or services that you are offering. And this strategy works this way: the more exact the keyword is, the better results you'll receive and the less you'll have to spend for each new sale. Overture drives targeted traffic by keeping you away from the general keywords that are very common and usually come expensive, and by casting a wide net of laser-focused keywords that are more targeted, not so expensive, and with high conversion rate. I'll tell you, attracting laser-targeted traffic through Overture is nothing but a win-win situation. Overture's strategy also allows your visitors to respond. And what's important once you get your visitors to respond? Well, you are given a chance to develop lifetime customers that will patronize your product and will buy from you over and over again. Bear in mind that one-time sales can't be a key in creating a highly profitable business, especially online. You can only achieve this through PPCSEs like Overture, which gets your site visitors to respond. And once it happens, you can constantly market and sell your products to them. Another tactic that Overture uses in order to gain laser-targeted traffic is to have a backup response for those who almost bought your product on the first visit. To successfully realize this, you need to market and advertise to them over and over again until you make them a new customer. Offer them an incentive so that they'll allow you to advertise to them over a certain time span by means of email or post mail. Here are some of the backup responses which you can use: send a free email newsletter, give a free catalog and offer a promo or sweepstakes, which gives them the chance to win free merchandise. Other things that will surely attract lifetime customers to your site are offering valued customer discounts, giving seasonal and special offers especially to your repeat customers, and any other incentives to purchase. Don't get me wrong with this, the above-mentioned strategies can surely develop a trusted relationship between you and your customers. Aside from patronizing your products over their lifetime, they may even refer others to you or to your site. To sum up, one of the most effective and secured marketing strategies that any businessman can utilize, particularly those who are involved in online marketing, is the approach of only paying for performance. And one of the most helpful online strategies to create more sales is by pulling laser-targeted traffic towards your website and converting them to sales by means of pay-per-click search engines like Overture.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.